We can also try to automate this process by pwntools. So if we run through the program here, so if we go to potato and do a list, and then we can maybe change the name. So we create a new user, and the user is Leonardo 555, and then we log in as Leonardo 555, and then we try to change the name to Raphael. As we try to break the program, this process is very helpful to be automated. So we can do this all manually, and it helps to do some of the parts manually, but we can also try to use pwntools in order to automate this. So we import pwn, and this is the skeleton I provided. I imported just pretty print if we need some pretty information, and I set the context to debug here. Where is it? Debug level, the log level debug, that I see all the information flowing in and out the program. And in the end, we create an elf process and attach it to pty. I attached it to pty because there is the password inputs, and this is really getting input from the pty, from the terminal. We also attach a debugger for later use and just press continue to run it in the background. And we define here one function that automates one part of the program. So as the program starts and the debugger is attached, we send a list and wait for the command, this commando button here, and then we create a new user, input a user here. In our case, we had Leonardo, and our password was 555. And then we do a who am I, which should result in that we are not logged in. And then we log in with Leonardo and the password 555. And then we should be Leonardo, and then we change the name to Raphael. In the end, I wait for the command again and do a quick who am I in the end before I switch to interactive, where I can interactively input my other commands as well. So let's start this here. I put it here as pwn_potato py file. For this, I create quickly a virtual env venv here, and I activate the virtual environment that I have a isolated Python environment. And now I'm in the venv, and this means I can pip install pwntools here. And after a very quick installation, we should be able to run Python 3 pwn_potato. Again, this spawns the debugger here, and in the background, all the different commands have been pushed into the program. So we listed all the users. We created a new Leonardo 555 user, and we renamed it. And in the end, we should not be seeing the user Raphael because this is the who am I. This $sign shows us that we are in interactive again. So if we type list, we see here the debug information that we put in list and we receive data, and this is also printed on the screen. So we're now Raphael and have to find a way how we can overflow some information in this user structure or user list.